Hey traders, and welcome to the Forex market analysis session. My name is Alexander Nikitin, and in today's video I will analyze my whole portfolio of 19 pairs, 60-minute, 30-minute time frames. And guys, it won't take long because I will be using an MPS pattern recognition software. But before we start, I need to tell you something. Okay, so this year was enormously profitable for me, and mostly because I changed my trading methodology and I deleted some of my drawbacks, some of my mistakes that I've been doing in my trading, and this propelled my account, and I already doubled my account in this year. Mostly because I created the fast backtest utility. It compresses the backtest time from weeks to minutes, and using this fast backtest utility last month I did more backtesting results. I collected more backtesting data, I collected more market research results that I collected in my 8 previous years when I've been backtesting manually or using MPS without fast backtest. So you see, in only 1 month I collected more data, more reliable, statistically reliable data than I collected doing the backtesting in my previous years. And you guys know I'm extremely hardworking. If I do the backtest, I typically work 16 to 18 hours a day without weekends until I finish. So I'm a full-time trader. I have nothing else to do. Okay, I'm simply doing the backtesting all the daylight time. I don't have any job or anything like that. That's why I have enormous advantage over majority of you, because you need to go to work. You have only 2 or 3 hours a day to do something, and hopefully you spend this time correct way. Okay, well, of course, if you don't do that much backtesting as I did, of course you won't have that experience, you won't have that psychology, you won't have that confidence, and you may have some psychological problems. And this is the difference between you and me. But the rest, the simply technical stuff, if you use the same tools, if you use the MPS, if you will organize the charts the way I organize them in my MetaTrader, if you use the pattern trader system the same way that I use, if you simply use it the way I do, if you simply mechanically copy what I do, you can generate similar profits. But guys, psychological problems make majority of you fail copying someone's style. Okay, so I have this Euro Aussie running right now. It is the inverse trading methodology by 5.11 lots. Hopefully it will hit take profit. It almost hit take profit, but hopefully it will reach my level. Well, if you are an MPS user, as I told you, you can organize the charts the way I do. I will show you how I did this and how I find my trades. And simply repeating the routine, you can reach these results. This year was enormously profitable for me. I just repeat that. And if you are interested, here's the statistics starting from the 2nd of January 2019, actually this year. The beginning of this year, 2nd of January. The 1st of January was what? Was New Year holiday. Okay, save as detailed report. It will be downloaded from the broker server and it will be saved here. And we can see what we can see. So the results, enormous number of trades. Here's what I'm talking about. In the end of January, we had this huge drawdown of 25%. I'm risking 5% per trade. Then we had kind of recovery, and we ended up here in February. Yes, and in the beginning of February we started a drawdown once again, and finally we recovered that yesterday. Okay, statistically, my trading this year, 70 trades, as 55% correct, and this means that I am 45% wrong. 55% correct means that I'm 45% wrong. If I tried, I'm simply executing mechanically the stuff that I found in my backtesting. All MPS users, they have access to my Telegram group, and in my Telegram group I share my files. So just go to view group info. Here are the files. So we have this Excel files, we have fast backtest that is given free, we have a unified Gatli zip folder that has a complete backtest of a unified Gatli on all major pairs and so on. So just join this group to get the statistics. And I remind you, all the data was collected by fast backtest, and the backtest was done by MPS pattern recognition software. So if you guys hope to have similar results trading manually or using your eyes to find patterns, you will most likely fail. And I will show you why. Just look how I trade. Okay, let's go back to this MetaTrader. Yes, let me go to this Aussie Canadian. 8 charts at the same time. Every chart is running a copy of MPS, and the MPS copy is this. So we have volume percentage range, commodity channel index, oversign, stochastic algorithms to find swings in the market. So different algorithms. Prex, ATR, sorry, what is it? It should be Pipsage, and percent. Okay guys, just imagine this. You do it manually. So you need to draw the swings using the volume percent algorithm manually. Yes, you calculate when it is overbought and oversold, and then you draw these swings, and then you calculate the patterns. Next thing that you need to do is Aussie Canadian. By the way, you heard the alert sound, and let me find what was the alert, and it is dollar yen. Okay, so let me go to my profile, which is a default profile. Let me open a dollar yen chart. Okay, and what we see here is a wonderful MACD pattern completed. Okay, now here's what I said. This is 5% that I calculated in the beginning of this month, and I will be trading this amount till the end of the month. So money 23.96 and 1. Okay, stretch the Fibonacci from your stop loss, if you use standard, to your entry this way. Place your stop loss instead of target 1. Okay, if you use 5.2, then from stop loss to entry and place it here. Then you just wait until price goes beyond the completion level, and let us see the ask line. Just wait for it. You see, the ask line should go beyond this. Well, price goes fast to the upside. I will simply set a limit order. I will press L on my keyboard. So it is here, and then I will adjust my order not to have one spread above 109.94.2. 94.2. Okay, make sure that the distance is 1-to-1. 13.1 of risk, 13.1 of risk, and 13.1 of reward. So we have 1-to-1. If it goes here, retraces back and triggers me in this pattern, then I'm in. So this is the way I trade. This is the way I set my trades using the pattern trade assistant. So those of you who are MPS users, using this way, you will have similar trading results as I have. Okay, let's go back to my analysis. So this is the first chart. Just imagine if you do it manually. Yes, you need to draw the swings during the analysis, drawing all the swings here. Then you need to analyze the swings to measure them using Fibonacci to find the patterns. It typically, when I remember myself doing that manually, it typically took me about 10 minutes to find a pattern or to analyze one chart. So 8 charts with different algorithms will mean 80 minutes. 80 minutes, more than an hour for one pair. I have 19 of them, so 19 hours only for analysis. Almost impossible to repeat that manually. Okay, so here we have some key shortcuts, yes, to move forward. Next profile, Control F5 to move backwards, Shift F5. You can set this, add charts, set this like I do, and save profile and name it Aussie Canadian. Then you change the time frames, change the parameters, and you name it Aussie Canadian 30. Then you change the time frame, change the pairs, delete this one, save it as something else, and you have Aussie Yen and blah 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 blah. So this is not a video of how you create profiles in MetaTrader. This is mostly the video how you can use them. Okay, next profile, Aussie Canadian, 30 minute, nothing. I will be using shortcuts, Control F5. Next one, nothing. Next one, nothing. Next one, nothing. Next, nothing. Next, nothing. Next, nothing. Next, the one that we have running right now, nothing. Next, nothing. Next, nothing. One more, nothing. Next, nothing. This one, a potential unified Gartley that is setting up. If price will go higher, then I already placed the alert. It is since yesterday maybe, or since tomorrow morning. Yes, so if it goes higher, then we'll have a unified Gartley completed and we'll be trading it to the upside, not as a reversal but as continuation. Okay, next, nothing. Next, nothing. Next one, nothing. One more, nothing. One more, nothing. Next, nothing. Next, nothing. Next, nothing. Next, nothing. Next, nothing. Okay, nothing. 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 Okay, no patterns yet. What is this? Nothing. It is the winning pattern that I had yesterday. So wonderfully took both targets, but I only place the first target. I'm not placing further targets, but in majority of cases, yes, we have the extended target. It goes very far. Okay, this was a winner as well. And let's go next. Dollar Canadian, nothing. Then we go Dollar Canadian 30 minute. Dollar Yen, and it was a loss. It was a loss. When we have a reversal, it is a loss for me because I'm looking for continuation of the patterns. Then, okay, so this is the last chart for today. So this is the pattern that I found that was alerting me, and let's go to default profile. The buy limit order is set the way I just shown you, and well, hopefully it works. One trade is running for now. Well, that's it. Just guys, as you saw, it took me less than 3 minutes to analyze all the charts, and 60 and 30 minute time frames. If you will organize your MetaTrader a similar way, then using the MPS and Pattern Trader system, doing this routine every day. I typically do it in the morning and in the evening. Sometimes I do this scan in the afternoon when I have time, but mostly I don't. In the morning, in the evening, and I set these alerts. Right click, trading alert, and it gives me an alert in MetaTrader. I also set alerts in my mobile MetaTrader, so I'm interested in this price, for example. Yes, price 60.19.4, so I set alerts in my mobile MetaTrader if I'm away from my home, and I can set trades from my mobile. I already know what numbers I need. I need this 59.44.3, I need this as stop loss 58.69.2, and this as take profit 60.19.4. I need simply to set this trade and forget about it, so I can set it on the go using my mobile, because I know the numbers that I need to set. Placing limit orders, placing something. Okay, so very easy to do. Trading became very easy nowadays. Okay guys, that's it for today. Hope you liked this video. If so, give me a thumbs up, share this video on social media. And guys, if you're interested in MPS, if you want to reach the same result that I do, if you guys really want to do the backtest maybe and create your own strategy and delete the mistakes from your trading and propel your trading accounts, you are welcome to visit my website www.mpstrade.com, and just on the front page you have the main benefits of the MPS. Read it simply, and here you can buy it, and you can have a free education on how to identify these patterns. I also give you the conventional rules of trading these patterns, but I don't recommend you using these rules until you backtested them and you found that using conventional rules of trading actually generates money. Okay, well, that's it for today. As I told you, share this video on social media and give me some likes. Until then, good luck and good trading. Hope to see you soon.